Welcome. Are you tired of searching for the perfect best LED poster display? I've done the research so you don't have to. Here are my top picks for this year. Product number 1. Spolehli 27 by 40-inch LED movie poster. To begin our countdown, I have a highly reliable product that consistently sets the standard. I am talking about the Spolehli 27 by 40-inch LED movie poster. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 84 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Product number 2. Spolehli LED Poster Frame 24-inch by 36-inch snap frame. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the Spolehli LED Poster Frame 24-inch by 36-inch snap frame. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 79 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 3. AngelcityCC 24 by 36-inch LED movie. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the AngelcityCC 24 by 36-inch LED movie. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. Engineered for ultimate stamina, it effortlessly keeps up with your continuously evolving and demanding everyday needs. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 79 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. Product number 4. OCTO Lights LED Backlit Movie Poster Frame 27 by 40 Cinema. Continuing our countdown, I have a highly reliable product that consistently exceeds expectations. I am talking about the OCTO Lights LED Backlit Movie Poster Frame 27 by 40 Cinema. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Backed by over 71 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 5. Spolehli LED Poster Frame with Adjustable Brightness. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Spolehli LED Poster Frame with Adjustable Brightness. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. It rarely requires any tedious troubleshooting, running flawlessly straight out of the gate and staying that way. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Backed by over 53 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. I hope this helped you narrow down your search. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Links to everything mentioned are below.